everybody, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to the cookbook kitchen. Today we are making a delicious, comforting, traditional Romanian chicken soup. I have no idea how to pronounce the Romanian name, so forgive me for that. I can barely pronounce this thing. I've gotten the recipe from Creative in my kitchen. I'll put a link in the description for this exact recipe. This classic dish has been ranked number 58 in what is it called? In the best 100 dishes in the world. In which website? I'll put a link in the description also for this particular website. Is it Test Atlas or something like that? Eh? Let's start. Let's see what you're working with so that we can begin. Let's go to Romania. Even if we cannot pronounce the name, the ingredients are in English. Thank you. Thanks to the website Creative in my kitchen. So welcome to today's video. Here we are. This is what we have for the soup first. These are the soup ingredients. I will introduce others as we continue. So this is what we have. Half chicken, some salt, red bell pepper, some onions, celery or celery root, some carrots, parsnips, bay leaves, some peppercorns. That is it. We're going to portion our chicken. Then we put it in the pot. Once that is done, we put in our veggies. I have already washed them. The recipe says that you put them whole, like that. Then you're going to put the water. So we are going to let it boil for a few minutes. Then we shall skim off any foam that forms on the surface. Let's remove the foam. We're going to add the bay leaves, salt, and the peppercorns. We are going to simmer until the vegetables and the chicken are fully cooked. Our chicken and our veggies are ready. Now we are going to place them in a separate bowl. And then we are going to strain our broth through a sieve. And this is where you also add some more salt if need be. There you go. Want the chicken and the veggies to slightly cool so that we can remove the skin and bone and chop the carrots. Let me start by chopping my carrots. I don't know how small or big I'm supposed to chop them. For the meat, we are going to shred and chop once you've removed it from the bone. I'm done with the meat and the carrots. Put this aside. That's the remaining soup. We're going to put in our carrots and our chicken. And we let it simmer on low heat. Then I introduce the rest of the ingredients. I have some sour cream, egg yolk, parsley, garlic, salt, and apple cider. I'm going to add the egg yolks. Salt, and mix well. Like that. Then I'll start adding my warm soup. I'm supposed to add half a cup at a time to temper the mixture. Then we stir in the garlic. It's time to pour in our dressing. As you pour, you stir well. And then you're done. Remove from the pot. It's done. There we go. It looks nice. We add our apple cider. So remember to check your salt, and then the chopped parsley. Here's our soup. Let's taste. Just go slow. Ah. We're not going slow. We are going all in. It is so nice. Very demure, very mindful, and very thoughtful. Ah! This is so sweet, so nice. Guys, try this recipe. And let me know in the comment section what you think about it. And sorry, I don't know how to pronounce it. That's it for today. Let me go and enjoy this cozy, yummy, delicious, and sweet Romanian traditional soup. Bye bye and God bless.